Take a look at this. Old galvanized trailer. Rope. We're missing a fender here. Looks like it disappeared. Yeah, that hub's not warm at all. It's even got some grease in there. Oh yeah, should be able to fix that up. Missing lights. Gonna have to just swap those out, I guess. What do we got on here? Evinrude 35. This light isn't in good shape either. Imagine that. This fence is gone. This fender's gone too. Nope, no heat. So it must be well greased up. Got a little crack in the windshield there. Looks like they did some kind of stitching to keep it from spreading. Pretty basic on the inside. Ain't nothing fancy, that's for sure. No battery came with it. Some old seats, 2 tanks. Just put this guy on. This is the old electric trolling motor. Let's take a look at this motor. It's a nice latch. Kind of loose. Look at this. Some gunk down in there. Probably be cleaned out. Starter looks kind of old, but it still works. So the battery connections. Doesn't look like this green wire's been plugged in for a while. We'll have to trace these wires. Here's the extra tank. See how it looks in there. Smells like gas. Looks pretty clean in there. I can see like maybe 1 or 2 little things at the bottom. Who knows how old that gas is. Doesn't quite look pre-mixed either. It's supposed to be a 50-to-1 mixture. Yeah, look at that. We got these. This fuel line pump, everything all hanging down. We'll try to tuck that up underneath there, so it's not so janky looking. Here's the main tank. Come on. I don't know if I'll be able to see in there. Maybe if I get a light. Yeah. Smells like gas. 2 of these buggers. Let's see, we got some flotation divisors. Hey, that could be a bed in there, huh? The plywood that these seats are attached to. Hey, look, something I can fix right away. Yeah, that's been rotting for a while. Look at that, some kind of switch. Nothing hooked up to it though. What else we got in here? Oh, that's a nice power terminal. I might use that with my battery box. What else we got here? Fiberglass resin. Oh, looks like it leaked out. Goop right down there at the bottom. Some rope. All gooped. Ew. Hey, I think that's for the front. What do you think that is? Think that's that resin? Just rusted out? Ugh. Oh yeah. All the screws are coming out of there. It's okay, we can replace that whole thing. Little bumper doodle. Got a sheath for a fish knife. Oh, jackpot. Look at that. Yeah, stainless steel bolts. Look at that, another terminal. That'll be for our ground. What else we got down here? Scissors. It's an old flathead screwdriver. Oh, nice. A brush. Some screws. Oh, God. I wonder if that Sharpie still works. More screws. Ooh, look at that chisel. Wood chisel, look at that. Add that to my collection. An extra boat plug, it looks like. What a deal. Oh, some extra fuses. I wouldn't want to use them though. Does anybody know what this is? Oh, it's got a keyhole there. So that must be a lock for something. Kind of looks like one of them locks for a disc brake on a motorcycle. You just slip that through the hole, but who knows. Any other goodies? Pen. That's about it. Screws. Premium cleaner wax. Cleans and protects just one step. Oh, look at that. We even got some zip ties, folks. And a brush handle. And the brushy part of it. Well, I think I got my work cut out for me, huh? Look at that. Look at this. You think that's gonna hold air? This holds the license plate on. It's looking like it's seen better days. Alright, this is the one thing I was kind of worried about. This back brace is just eroding away. So I don't know, we'll just try to clean it up and paint it, I guess. Unless we can come up with a better idea. Alright. See if we can't find something that will fit these guys so I can change this out. This guy. Yeah. I got a boat.
There's these deer horns that Jeremy found, or Jackson found.
Let's change this light. Oh no! Oh, look at that. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm not even gonna mess with it. How many gauge wire do you think this is? I don't know anything about electrical, by the way. Just enough to get me in trouble. See? I don't even know what I'm doing here. There we go. Looks like I guessed right. Alright, tell me which one I use. Red or blue? Blue looks bigger. We'll go with the red. See how that does. I think we're gonna switch over to the blue. Wait, does it tell me on this thing? There's a blue 2.5. What does that mean? I thought wires were in gauges, not 2.5. Okay, it's good enough for me. Yeah, that was easy. There we go. Time to go to the next light. All right, ready to watch a non-electrician do electrician things? Assuming brown to brown. What do I do with this guy? Alright, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Look at this mess. This there to there to who knows what's going on here. Here's a white wire poking out. I assume it was connected right here. Let's undo this mess.
Oh yeah, baby.
Just trying to untangle this mess. I don't know what I'm doing.
I think it's a free wire system, luckily, I think.
Brown. Okay. Okay, I got it. I know what is up now. So check this out. We got two joins. It's probably not the most ideal combination, so let's fix that. I'm gonna keep all this wire for another project. And really, we can cut this off probably right about there and still get good amount of room to get to the lead from the truck. Okay. That looks right. Ish. Alright, well, should work now. Oh, just a bit too far. Let's see how this works. Let's see. Left turn signal. Okay. Right turn signal. Oh wait, there we go. That's the boat too. Okay. Spooky. Nice. There's a lot more work that needs to be done. But we'll get these wires situated. Hope you enjoyed it. Join me next time.